All right. Um, my name is Shadrach. Like I said earlier, my name is Shadrach, and I am the assistant lead analyst of Good Light Deals. And I'll be taking this morning's analysis for day 9 challenge. I'll be taking this morning's analysis on day 9 challenge. All right. So first of all, yeah, we have gold. We have gold. Let's see, what does gold have to offer us? Yes, starting from the 4 hours, the 4 hour time frame. Of course, gold has been on an uptrend for a while. It has been on an uptrend. And this zone, as long as this zone has not been broken to the downside, it's still on an uptrend. And this is where market is reacting from. So we should see it create a new all-time high. You see it create a new all-time high this morning or today, before the end of today, because it's on its way there. Let's see on a 1 hour time frame. This whole rejection move was the news of yesterday. Let's see. So currently, this is what I'll be expecting of gold. I'll be expecting price to do something like this. To either come to this high from here, get here, because it will be clearing this, then sell something like this. Or gold should do something like this. Gold should do something like this. Should buy like this, break this to create all-time high, come back down to this region, then buy. Then there's a possible entry there. Let me repeat again. There's a possible entry for price to come like this, then sell. It won't be awkward for you to sell from that area. You can take opportunity from that. At least there should be a reaction from that area, at least. If that place is a valid area for you to sell, and that is a valid area because that's an all-time high that got rejected. There's a form of rejection week there. And what one thing you should know about gold is that it respects rejection week like a lot. It does that a lot. Unless the trend is really heavy, then it invalidates any form of week. Now, if it doesn't sell from this area, should be expecting price to break above it, come back down, then keep buying to the upside. Do you get that? So that's pretty much what I can see on gold right now. Other than that, there is really nothing much. Really nothing much. Let's see. US oil. Yes. Well, I've been selling US oil for quite a while now, right from this area. Let's see. Let's check the 4 hour time frame. Yes, I marked the region earlier already. Now, you should be seeing more of US oil downside for now. Should be expecting price to come like this to this downside. Then you can see it's possibly going to the upside like this. Should be seeing something like this. Should see markets come down to this region here and then buy. But for now, for market to come all the way down to this downside, there's an opportunity to sell it all the way down there. There's an opportunity to sell it all the way down to that side. And here it is. Now, once markets break below this place, let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Yes. See it's come down like this. Then once it has broken this downside, once this downside has been broken to the downside, should be expecting price to do something like this. Then sell to the downside. That's a way to scale into the sales because it will take a while for the sales to reach this area. And of course, you can't just sit around waiting if you see an opportunity. Do you understand? If you see an opportunity. And the best thing you can do for yourself is scale into the sales. You shouldn't trade against the market. You see the market falling, you can see the market selling heavily. All you have to do is look for an entry. And this is an entry here. Now, let's go to the next pair. Let's go to the next pair. No time to waste, no time to waste. All right. GBP JPY. Yes, I had a sell around that area, but it got disrespected. Yes. Okay. Can't really see much on GBP JPY. Not really seeing an opportunity around there. No, I'm not really seeing an opportunity around there. Nothing much, nothing much. But let's just keep watching JPY. It's on an up, it is currently buying. So just to see it come around this area. This area here is an area for sales. Is an area for sales. Once price get there, that's an opportunity to sell it from here. Yes, that's an area for sales. Because market has to clear off all these eye. These little eyes are here. It has to clear it off. Once it clears it off, activate this entry above, then sell. Because it has broken structure to the downside from this area. This is a break of structure here. And if we even switch it to body candles alone, that's line charts, you see it has properly broken into the downside. Yes. Switch it back to candlesticks. Now, that's broken into the downside. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's for GPY. Remember, GPY is for sales. We're looking for a sell opportunity. Other than that, nah, can't see any other thing. Except if it breaks above this eye, of course. If it breaks above this eye, then you should probably wait. Because this whole area are sell regions, this whole area. If you try and say you want to buy it when it breaks above this place, you might get liquidated. You get that, you might get liquidated. GBUSD, yes. I think I was on the sales yesterday. I checked 4 hour time frame. Yes, of course, I was expecting it to come all the way down here when it was still around here. But I didn't get there. That was on the daily time frame. Um, okay, okay. Let's go to the 45 minutes. Okay. This is pretty much the same thing like GBP JPY. You can just put your entry around here for market to come to. That's if markets get there. And then expect Sales from that area. Yes. Expect some sales from that area. Can give it some breathing space. It is about 50 pips SL to give it some breathing space. Yes. Something like this. This is good. Something like this. Because you can still see it's on a downtrend. It has not violated the downtrend yet, unless it breaks this area to the upside, because this is where the original break of structure, the downside came from. Check from higher time frame. So yeah, that's pretty much it for GBP USD. For US 30, well, I've been anticipating the sales all the way from this place, and it has been selling all the way from there. When it's created, what's that all-time high? Yes, when it created this all-time high, yeah. I was expecting it to sell from that area, and it has been selling ever since. Let's see. Okay, look at this. Markets clear this area off. Even if that was a primary entry at first, it's cleared it off, then activated an entry around this area here, in that same region of itself. The market has been selling ever since. What I used in gauging this entry is not this whole move here. It was the body itself I used. Can you see that? You switch it to line chart, you will see. I used to mark this entry, switching it back to candlesticks. Now that we have that, we should still be expecting some sales, because this is a break of structure, break of structure. It's an internal break of structures. The external break of structure is at this low here. Until you break this low here, then we should be seeing more sales. Other than that, let's just keep watching US 30. So yes, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for this morning's analysis. Now, let's recap. Now for gold, what did we say we want on gold? We should be seeing market to come all the way up to this upside here, then sell. If it doesn't sell from this area and it breaks above, then you should see it come back to test that level and then continue buying. Do you understand? But while it is here, you could probably still see an entry to keep buying it all the way to this upside. But I won't really bet much on it. Do you get? And for US oil, I said we should be seeing more of the downside, because there's an entry below here for market to come to. There's an entry below here for market to come to. So we should be seeing more of the downside. Should be seeing more of the downside for US oil. What next? GBP, JPY. Yes, I said we should be seeing a sales from this area, from this region. Yeah, should seeing some sales from here. Other than that, I'm not really seeing much. Not really seeing much. GBP USD. Yes, there's an entry here for market to come to. For market to come here and then start selling from there. There's a sell entry for GBP USD. Sell entry for GBP USD. What next? US 30. I said we should keep waiting on that, because this whole thing here are internal structures. They are internal structures. So you should be seeing US 30s break down to this downside, but right now it's indecisive. It's pretty much still consolidating around this area. Pretty much still consolidating. So I'm not really seeing much of some moves here. So let's keep watch. And that's pretty much it. Is there news today? Let's check that before we go. Let's check that. Yes, there is news by the USD news by 2:30, GBP news by 8 a.m. So For GPUSD, we should probably see market pump all the way to our entry. Yes. So that's pretty much it. Once again, I am Shadrach, also known as the Billionaire Trader. And that's it for this morning's analysis. Thank you very much for joining. So yeah, the recorded class will be uploaded on YouTube, so you can go back and watch it to learn more on how to take your entries more in the financial market. And stay safe, stay safe, stay safe. And also, you need to understand that psychology plays a very key important role in your trading career. If you don't have a good trading psychology, you honestly can't be a consistently profitable trader in the market. If you have a bad psychology, no matter the strategy you are using, you really won't scale up much. Do you get that? You won't scale up much. So make sure you work more on your psychology, learn more about the charts, and trust me, you're really much good to go. So yes, that's pretty much it.